Fractions. Unless you have an undying passion for numbers like I do, you've probably yelled some choice words about them before. I mean, why should they even exist? Why should a number not be whole? Wouldn't that be easier? Maybe so, but what if you wanted pizza? You can't just have a whole pizza all at once, but you could eat 1/4 of a pizza. If fractions weren't a thing, though, you'd be stuck cramming the whole thing in at once. As useful as they are, though, I will admit they can be tricky. Two numbers instead of one, a weird line in between, and they make multiplying easier than adding? That sounds confusing, but that's why you're here, to clear up the confusion and learn the easiest way to add them. Let's look at our first example problem. 3/4 plus 2/5. You've probably heard before that you need a common denominator to add and subtract fractions. Without the shortcut I'm going to show you, you do. You would multiply the top and bottom of the left fraction by 5 and the right one by 4, so they both have 20 on the bottom. After multiplying, we have 15/20 plus 8/20. Now we can add them since they share a common denominator. 15 plus 8 is 23, so we get 23/20 as the answer. Now, that method wasn't too difficult or slow, but there's a better way. This way is simpler because it doesn't require a common denominator. I like to call this way the oval method because we're going to draw 3 ovals. The first one goes here, around the 3 and 5. We multiply these to get 15. Then we draw a second oval around the 2 and 4 and multiply them to get 8. Add these together to get 23. The third oval goes around 4 and 5. Multiply them to get 20. And just like that, we have the answer, 23/20. No complicated common denominator finding. Feels like magic, but there's no magic here. All of the math in this method is actually the exact same as in the previous method, but I like this one so much more because it's easier to remember the steps. Having an easy way to remember how to solve a problem is extremely important in math. Still confused how to use the oval method? Don't worry, I'll show another example. Here we have 2/17 plus 5/12. Looks a little bit trickier than the first problem, but it's easy as cake with the oval method. We just do 2 times 12 to get 24, 17 times 5 to get 85, and add those to get 109. Now multiply 17 by 12 to get 204. Just like that, our answer is 109/204. Hopefully this is making more sense. For our last problem, I'm going to show just how powerful this method is by doing a problem that looks downright scary. 666/759 plus 193/793. These are some evil-looking fractions, but they're no match for the oval method. We will definitely want a calculator for this one, though. 666 times 793 is 528,138, and 759 times 193 is 146,487. Add those together to get 674,625. Then, to find the bottom, we do 759 times 793 to get 601,887. The answer is a little less pretty than the previous ones, but the oval method still works the same. It works for adding or subtracting fractions of any size. Hopefully you understand fractions a little better now. If you enjoyed this video, leave a comment below.